trade.
All right, let's go to some quick trades with some quick stocks. We have Gold Corp reporting earnings after the bell on Wednesday. Beat on earnings. Revenue were like really light, like 40 million off, but still really great. Still up 69%. Operating cash flow was over 100%. Cash costs were marginally higher. So after the trade, what do you want to do? After the earnings, what do you want to do?
Well, how did it perform? Because if this was yesterday, came into support, reversed. I think you could be long versus yesterday's low of 49.69. I'm not going to get involved, but it's at support. It's worth a look.
Yeah, and it was one of the best performing gold stocks in the first quarter. All right, Apple held up on Wednesday and ended in the green, down slightly this morning. What do you want to do?
I am long tier 1.5 Apple. As long as it stays above 345, I'm going to stay with it. If the market gets stronger, it starts to go above 352, I will add. And then finally, we'll get some momentum in Apple. But if the market's weak, it's not going to be able to do it by itself.
Same thing with Amazon, down slightly today, but held up the last couple days.
Yeah, Amazon is still above 200. It's defying a lot of logic. Still looks good. But again, with the market that's on the defensive, I wouldn't get too big here. But for momentum, real quickly, if it gets above, this... what is that, 202, 203? It's going to go again and have another squeeze.
All right, what about Priceline reporting today? Do you want it to stay clear right now?
Stay clear. Same mantra with all earnings. Stay clear. We'll trade it after.
And BIDU, down more than 0.5% on Wednesday. Is it coming back
I
at
have
all?
two things with BIDU. BIDU, one, was a great short Tuesday. I think yesterday was an area people covered. It's trying to hold its 50-day. If you're a long-term believer in BIDU, that's an area to nibble. And lastly, I just want to talk about Cisco.
Okay.
Cisco, because every now and then I see a decent pattern with Cisco. Cisco right here. It's tight, looking good. There's some money looking for value and safety. So this gets above 1760. I think it could start